Which synthetic oils actually deliver true Group 4 POW or Group V ester-based stocks instead of just refined petroleum with a synthetic label? After exposing which brands use Group 3 oils and market them as full synthetic, I've been getting a lot of comments asking which brands are legit. Today I'm giving you the answer. After over 10 years in this industry, analyzing oil formulations and reviewing technical data, I'm breaking down 8 brands. These brands use genuine synthetic base stocks, Group 4 POW or Group V esters, so you know exactly what you're getting for your money. These are the oils where the chemistry matches the marketing. If you care about protecting your vehicle with real facts, hit that subscribe button right now. It's actually shocking that over 95% of viewers don't subscribe, despite saving hundreds or even thousands from the information in these videos. Subscribing costs you nothing, but helps me keep bringing you content that dealers don't want you to see. Let's get into it. First, let's quickly recap what true synthetic oil means. True synthetic oil uses Group 4 POW polyolefin or Group V ester-based stocks. These are molecules synthesized in a laboratory from chemical building blocks, not refined from crude oil. They have uniform molecular structure and superior stability. They offer better oxidation resistance and more consistent performance across extreme temperatures compared to Group 3 refined petroleum oils. This is what synthetic originally meant before legal rulings allowed Group 3 to be called synthetic. These 8 brands actually deliver that chemistry. Number 1, AMSOIL. AMSOIL is completely transparent about using Group 4 POW-based stocks with Group V esters in their signature series. They pioneered automotive synthetic oil back in 1972, and they've stayed committed to genuine POW-based formulations ever since. AMSOIL's technical data sheets explicitly state Group 4 POW base oils. Their marketing emphasizes this chemistry because it's a major differentiator. The formulation is designed for extended drain intervals up to 25,000 miles because POW resists oxidation and thermal breakdown better than others. Whether you push intervals that far is your choice, but the base oil chemistry supports it. You're getting genuine POW chemistry here. Number 2. Redline synthetic oil. Redline uses a blend of Group 4 POW and Group V ester-based stocks with higher ester content. Esters are more expensive than POA, but they provide unique benefits. They have a natural polarity that makes them cling to metal surfaces. That means better protection during cold starts. Redline is popular in racing and high-performance applications because it handles extreme conditions. It's also excellent for street engines where you want maximum protection. Redline is expensive, often $12 to $15 per quart. But you're paying for genuine PO and ester chemistry with high concentrations of anti-wear additives. There's no Group 3 filler here. It's pure synthetic base stock. Number 3. Motul 8100 Series and 300V Motul is a French company with deep roots in racing and motorsports. Their 8100 line uses Group 4 and Group V ester base stocks formulated to meet strict European ACS specifications. Motul's 300 volts line is their flagship racing oil using even higher concentrations of ester-based stocks for maximum performance under extreme stress. Motul doesn't hide behind vague marketing. Their technical documentation clearly states POW and ester formulations. The oils are designed for extended drains, high tongue, and demanding European engines with tight tolerances. Motul is widely respected globally. Availability in the US is more limited, but you're getting legitimate POW and ester chemistry. Number 4, Royal Purple. Royal Purple uses a proprietary blend they call Synerlec additive technology. Royal Purple markets heavily to the performance community, and their purple-dyed oil is highly distinctive. The formulation includes high levels of anti-wear additives and is designed for high-stress applications. Their technical data confirms POW-based formulations in their high-performance and max-cycle product lines. The oil is priced in the premium category, but you're getting genuine synthetic base stock chemistry, not just a label. Number 5. Mobil 1. Now Mobil 1 requires some nuance. Mobil 1 was originally formulated with 100% Group 4 PAO when it launched in 1974. Over the years, ExxonMobil reformulated some products to include Group 3 base oils blended with POW. However, Mobil 1 still uses PAO in their premium lines like Extended Performance and Annual Protection. If you want to be certain you're getting PAO, look for their higher-end formulations and check technical data sheets. Number 6. Liqui Moly. Liqui Moly is a German brand with a strong reputation for high-quality lubricants. Their lines, like Synthoil, use Group 4 POW and Group V ester stocks to meet strict German standards. Liqui-Moly is known for exceptional additive packages, including their proprietary MOS2 friction modifier technology. Liqui-Moly oils are developed for demanding applications, including European engines with turbocharging and strict emissions. The base oil quality is genuine PAO, and the additive chemistry is robust. Liqui-Moly has been expanding distribution in the US, and while it's priced at a premium, you're getting true synthetic formulations developed for demanding applications. Number 7. Torco State Route 1 and State Route 5. Torco is a performance-oriented brand. It focuses on racing and high-performance street applications. Their synthetic motor oils use Group 4 POW and Group 5 ester-based stocks. With extremely high levels of anti-wear additives, ZDDP concentrations significantly higher than most street oils. Torco uses Generation 2 MPZ technology to reduce friction and is 100% safe for catalytic converters and oxygen sensors. These oils are designed for flat tappet camshafts, high-lift cams, and engines that generate extreme valve train loads. Torco is not a mass-market brand. You won't find it at Walmart. But if you're building a performance engine or running a classic muscle car with aggressive cam profiles, Torco delivers. It delivers genuine PAO ester chemistry with additive packages tailored for high-stress applications. It's expensive, often $15 to $20 per quart, but you're getting boutique-level synthetic base stocks. Number 8. Ravenol is a premium German lubricant manufacturer founded in 1946 in Werther, Germany. Known for its high-performance products and quality, Ravenol is distinguished by several proprietary technologies. Ultra-strong viscosity oil uses fully synthetic base oils combined with unique star-shaped polymers. It provides extreme viscosity stability, meaning the oil resists thinning out even under high heat and mechanical stress, ensuring a permanent protective film. CleanSynto is a specialized formulation designed to clean engine deposits and prevent new sludge from forming, which extends the mechanical life of the engine and improves fuel efficiency. Ravenol holds official approvals from manufacturers like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, Volkswagen, and Volvo, meaning their oils are factory certified for these engines. Number 9. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum. Now this one is tricky and requires explanation. Pennzoil Ultra Platinum uses Pure Plus technology, gas-to-liquid base stocks derived from natural gas instead of crude oil. GTL base stocks are technically classified as Group 3+, but they perform much closer to Group 4 POW. GTL base stocks have extremely low sulfur content, very low volatility, excellent oxidation resistance, and high viscosity index. In many performance characteristics, Pennzoil's Pure Plus base stock rivals or exceeds traditional PO. It's not Group 4 by technical classification, but it's not typical Group 3 either. It's a gray area, a highly advanced synthetic base stock that doesn't fit neatly into traditional categories. I'm including Pennzoil Ultra Platinum because the performance is there and the chemistry is legitimately advanced. The base stock is derived from natural gas, not crude oil. It's arguably more synthetic than hydrocracked Group 3 oils, even if it's not traditional POW, and it's widely available at a reasonable price, typically $7 to $9 per quart, which is significantly less than boutique PAO oils. Now let's talk about what you're actually getting with these true synthetic oils that you don't get with Group 3 synthetics. First, better oxidation resistance. PAO and ester-based stocks resist thermal breakdown better than Group 3 oils. That means they can handle extended drain intervals more safely. They stay cleaner longer. They don't turn into sludge as quickly under heat and stress. Second, better low-temperature flow. POW oils pour more easily at cold tongue than Group 3 oils. That means faster circulation during cold starts, which reduces wear on cam lobes, lifters, and bearings. In extreme cold climates below 0 Fahrenheit, this difference is measurable and meaningful. Third, better high-temperature stability. PAO resists viscosity breakdown at high tongue better than Group 3. If you're towing, running a turbo engine, or driving aggressively, oil tongue can spike to 240 to 260 degrees or more. PAO maintains film strength and protection at those tongue more consistently than Group 3. Fourth, lower volatility. POW evaporates less than Group 3 oils at high tongue. That means less oil consumption and less contamination of the combustion chamber and catalytic converter. Over 100,000 miles, that adds up to cleaner emission systems and less need to top off oil between changes. Fifth, more consistent molecular structure. POW molecules are uniform in size and shape. Group 3 molecules are refined from crude oil, so they're more variable. That uniformity in PAO translates to more predictable performance across a wider range. So are these true synthetic oils worth the extra cost? That depends on how you drive and what you're asking the oil to do. If you're doing normal commuting with oil changes every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, the performance difference between Group 3 and PAO is incremental. A good Group 3 oil like Valvoline or Castrol Edge will protect your engine adequately at that interval. You're not fully using PAO's advantages. But if you're extending drain intervals 10,000 to 15,000 miles, PAO's superior oxidation resistance and additive longevity provide real benefits. If you're in extreme climates, very cold winters or very hot summers, PAO's temperature performance gives you an edge. If you're towing, running a turbo, or driving aggressively, PAO's thermal stability protects better under stress. If you just want the best chemistry available regardless of cost, genuine PO and ester oils deliver superior properties. You're paying for genuine lab-synthesized molecules with performance characteristics that Group 3 can't fully match. Here's my recommendation. If you're running extended intervals, severe duty, or extreme conditions, invest in true PAO-based oils like AMSOIL, Redline, Mechul, or Royal Purple. If you want excellent protection at a more reasonable price, Mobil 1 Extended Performance or Pennzoil Ultra Platinum deliver strong performance with genuine advanced base stocks. If you're budget conscious and changing oil frequently, Group 3 synthetics will serve you fine, but know what you're buying. The key is transparency. These 8 brands are either completely transparent about using PO and esters, or their base stock technology is genuinely advanced. Like Pennzoil's GTL, you're not being misled, you're getting what the chemistry promises. Compare that to brands that hide behind vague, full synthetic labels without disclosing base stock type. Those brands are banking on consumer confusion. The 8 brands I've listed today don't play that game. They use genuine synthetic base stocks, and they're upfront about it. If you want boutique-level performance for a high-stress engine, Redline, or Motul deliver. If you want excellent protection with wide availability, Mobil 1 Extended Performance is hard to beat. If you want advanced chemistry at a reasonable price, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum offers outstanding value. The bottom line, these 8 brands deliver true synthetic base stocks, PAO, esters, or advanced GTL, not just refined petroleum. Your engine will benefit from the superior chemistry, especially if you're pushing intervals, operating in extremes, or demanding maximum performance. What oil are you currently running, and did you know whether it was true POW or Group 3 before watching this? Drop a comment. I want to know if this information changes your oil buying decisions. And if this list of legitimate synthetic oils helped you, hit subscribe. We're giving you the truth about oil chemistry so you can make informed choices based on facts, not hype.